Hey everyone, Tony Winston here, Jazz Piano College. Going to cover yet another application of shape 1. We're going to use it as a minor 7 flat 5 chord, and also shape 2, which is just an inversion of shape 1. We're going to look at that the same way. And we now have the capability to do a minor 2-5-1 using just shape 1 or shape 2 or a combination of both, because we've got this chord used as a dominant chord, we've got it used as a minor 7 flat 5, and we've got it used as a minor 6-9 chord. Okay, let me prove that to you. Here it is as a minor 6-9. Here it is as a dominant. All right, and that's an altered dominant, or this dominant, which is unaltered. And here it is as a minor 7 flat 5. And you might be thinking, well, where's the third in this chord? Well, it's not there. It's not there. So all we've done is taken that third and moved it up to the fourth, which we really should call an 11th. And you can use either one, obviously. Okay, so take your pick. In fact, since this chord functions as a well, it is a minor 7 flat 5. It'll also function as C dominant, F sharp, altered dominant, and what was the other one I was going to think about? Like G minor 6th. Right? Yeah, but we're doing it this way. Okay, cool. So here's a minor 2-5-1 using E minor 7 flat 5, A altered, and it's exactly the same shape. In fact, in this particular key, it happens to be the exact same shape of white keys and black keys. Okay, so the 2 chord, the 5 chord, and then the 1 chord, which I have to come clear up here to use the same shape, but I could do it this way and switch to shape 1 here. Remember, shape 1, shape 2 are just inversions of each other. So, oh, there's that flute again. So here it is with some walking bass line. The great thing about using the tritone as your part of your bass line on the dominant chord is that you get 2 different versions of this chord. You get A altered, A 7th, right? A 7th, with some altered tensions, and you get E flat 7th with some unaltered tensions, meaning the 9th and the 13th have not been moved. Haven't moved that to a flat 9 or anything. So here it is again. If I can get a better bass line. Same kind of chords in a different inversion here now. This obviously can be done in all 12 keys, and I would encourage you to explore it in all 12 keys. Now, just because you set up a minor 2-5-1, and by setting it up I mean by using a minor 7 flat 5 and an altered dominant, you can still go to a major chord. It's okay. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And also, if you're using like the regular minor 9th here, and you have like a nice happy little unaltered A 7th chord, you could still go to a minor 7th or a minor 6th. It might work, it might not. You have to try it out. even if you're not in a situation where you need to play bass and do chords with your right hand, you know, like if you're the, you know, if your band does not have a bass player. But even if your band has a bass player, it's good to know this kind of stuff, you know. It's good for solo piano, and it will just help you, you know, knowing how to create a bass line just helps you understand, yeah, music better. Yeah, so some good songs to practice. I always like to do Joy Spring because it has a lot of turnarounds. There was shape 3, by the way. Oops, I should have gone. Yeah. So practice your turnarounds. All right. And, you know, look for different ways to do them. There's, you know, probably a million ways to do it. So lots of variation in there. All right, thanks everyone.